Why doesn't a cup fall off the table even though it has weight? As if the table is mysteriously pushing it up. In the energy filament theory, the table isn't magically adding any extra force. Instead, it's using its entire atomic structure to adjust the tension in the energy sea beneath it, shifting the cup into a position of least resistance. Imagine the table surface as a series of stacked springs. When you place the cup on the table, the spring underneath it gets compressed a bit more, and the surrounding springs help spread the pressure outward, passing it like a relay, with each part of the table sharing the load. This pressure is transferred all the way to the table legs, eventually getting dispersed through the ground and into the wider energy sea. What you see is just the cup resting still, but from the field's perspective, it's an entire system of tension forces adjusting to maintain stability. This is why the table might slightly dent where the cup sits, and why thin glass is more likely to break than thick wood. It's all about how much space the material has to adjust the tension. Thick wood, like a group of strong people, spreads the pressure, while thin glass, like a few individuals trying to bear it alone, will fracture when the tension exceeds its capacity. Standing on the ground works the same way. The weight you feel isn't gravity just pulling you down, but the pressure between your shoes, the floor, and your bones, constantly adjusting to prevent you from sliding down. The support force isn't some magical upward force. It's the redistribution of tension within the solid structure that keeps everything stable. The entire system, your body, the table, the floor, is constantly adjusting to ensure that the most stable position is the one with the least effort, distributing the tension so you stay put next time you see a seemingly stable object. Remember, it's not some invisible force pushing it up, but the energy sea making subtle tension adjustments to keep everything in balance. The interaction between the object and its surroundings is a constant process of these small adjustments, ensuring that everything stays in place. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.